Hello! Today I will show you how to create a wedding website in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, and on the upper left side, go to Design Spotlight, and under Marketing, click Websites. Now click on Create a Canva website, and this will direct you to customize and make your own website from scratch. Now you can search a website template under the search bar and then type in wedding. Scroll down, pick and choose the design that you want. I'll pick this one and then click Apply All. This will transfer the design to your blank canvas. And you can just customize the existing template by clicking the image you want to replace. Go to Uploads, and then click and drag the image that you already have and replace it in the design, like so. I'm just going to do this to all of the images in the template. Again, just click and drag. And then you can also change the font style or text by clicking the text and then choosing the font of your choice. Now you can freely choose whatever you want or add to this. You can also change the button design by clicking on the button, changing its font, and then also changing the color of the button by clicking it and then clicking color. Now you can select from the colors presented. If you want to add a page, click Add Page below. And here you can put any images you want, just click and drag again. And then also you could add a text by clicking text at the left side corner of the screen. And then click Add a Text Box. You can resize the text and then drag it anywhere in the page. After you're done, you could either preview this, publish the website, or share it throughout the social media. I'm going to publish website, and then you can edit your URL by clicking on the pencil icon. Click Publish Website when you're finished. Now you can copy the URL of your website or just click View Website to have a preview of the finished product. And there you go. That's how you make a wedding website in Canva.